Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cut and trim precisely in VN Editor. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to cut and trim precisely in VN Editor, all you gotta do is simply go to VN Editor. Once you're in your VN Editor, you can simply open your project. After you open your project, you need to zoom in on the timeline by pinching open with two fingers in the center of the timeline. Now zooming in provides a more detailed view, making it easier to position the playhead, the wide vertical line, exactly where you want to edit. So once you have done this, you can position the playhead as well and simply remove from the ends. So once you have done this, you can do cutting and splitting and use audio bars. You can simply undo what you have made errors in. You can preview it and remove the VN ending. So this way you can cut and trim precisely in VN Editor. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.